come gather here this morning. I think the first thing we for do first now for call the presence of God. If I need to remember God. Sorry, we go tell and tell it. And as we dey continue, we dey see, I don't say beaucoup people they see faces them in front of you in a different faces them. And you find when we meet na treat, say this man na him be go teach we, this man na him be go advise we, na him be go talk to we. Finally we sabi we self. So we dey ask at the high table for short introduction of the high table individually. Okay, I'll start from okay.
Mina Salam Igote, the Executive Secretary for National Commission for Persons with Disabilities.
Yes, sir.
Talk to yourself. Una morning. Mina Cyril Johnson. Mina the director for German Leprosy and TB Relief Association.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mina Umaru Conte, Minister of Health and Sanitation, and also Outreach Officer at Nakuba.
Yeah, good morning. Mina Francis Sengo, EOC, Outreach Communication Officer.
For don left here, but we all know say this na rainy season, right? A very challenging for we the disabled them during rain season and traffic day. Where see we start the program before the other people and they come. So I want to say sorry on behalf of my team and on behalf of Mrs. F. Waiting Apso. I want to say sorry and I tell una plenty thank you because una patience. Well, I know say if we see the thing then today, some man go they say we know what we there for. But reason day why we there for today. We know say from 2019 where we get this pandemic na the whole world, things then they go out, sensitizations then they go out, then they target, they say Sierra Leoneans in general. But even in life, if we could say woman are a general word, where it be say different way they how you for target woman. From all this CK so start na the Kana salon. We don't they see what thing they go on. Then they talk. Messages and they come out. But I not go say for other one day where they na the OCM, I go say na individual na waiting things say not get disabled person day. But for the government, I think I say every government if will be sensitive of disability. All the messages the way they go out, or even the wasan, the preventive thing the way they go out. Nothing the way not sensitive to persons with disabilities. Not talking about women living with disabilities. So from there, I come on another angle, they say, no, if we say leave no one behind, now a level playing ground, it get for be say everybody forgetting right. If you feel like say it belongs. And if you can take back from the Ebola time, any tell them say crisis for done any country, women they suffer in general. Not talking about disabled women them. So we multiple where they suffer. So I see and say the posters the way they go out, the messages the way they go out. They're not sensitive to disabled people them. They're not sensitive to disabled women them. Then just they say what's the hand with soap, what's wear face masks, where you avoid crowd. In a general, with different disability, let we say somebody when a hearing impaired. Sometimes not lettered. It's just there, you know, more way they play on a radio, you know they even hear what they say. Somebody on a visually impaired. You know they even know or see what you write, what they demonstrate. So man, mostly, especially Africa, now when we sit in a picture form, now they will be able to know say exactly this message, now so for do, now so for do. Some even if you read them. But when you see and then demonstrate in a picture form, you go know say exactly now this thing as so for do. So now you make WODO as an organization, women with disability yearning for equal opportunities, where we think and say, okay, The message is say although they come out, they not capture disability business here. For we as women them, we more vulnerable than any other woman. So the best we can do, no we find way where we go able to raise fund. Sit down, we do this concept, we send out to thanks to Abilis Foundation, where we send out to be able to give we small support. We not particular but the things where we see, but the message we they can't get. And waiting the message they talk. And during them kind of problems there, now they can abuse we. Because of coffee, lockdown, and distance. Now they man they can abuse we. And then they send messages and say under violence, they know the target say this purely for women with disability. When you look around, we they suffer past the able woman them. Just that we the shame for go pull we own case out because of the perception of people. When you talk, they say, but you know sorry for yourself, but we are human. So nothing not wrong with we for make we day in a relationship. Nothing for not wrong with we for make we self live life like any other person. But when short things happen, then he say, but this person not sorry for himself again. Now this kind of way they this and then get the way they keep put them. But internally we they suffer. And people know they target we. So now I make Odo and say we need for talk to we disabled brother sisters them. Let them self know how you for what you earn as disabled person. Because you not go just go no more. You say I don't ask me and you get assistive device. You get for no say this one connect with you now part of your life. You know they able to live without them. So also anything way they do to yourself, you for do and to them. So all the messages they come up from government, not they capture. So now I make if you see around, if they see the posters them around, they show you how you for what you as disabled person. Not only you answer them, but also what you they use where they help you. How you for WhatsApp. You know go what you and you left your crutch. You know go what you and you left your wheelchair. You know go what you and you left your cane. But also where the wasian, make sure say wash you cane, you wash your crutch, you wash your wheelchair. Because if you wash you and you are safe. But when you touch your wheelchair, you touch your crutch, you touch your white cane, you get the virus, they come in contact with the virus. Then how you for look say social distance? We not able to. This all we just a practice. Let we say to protect we own life that we can see the banner. But we not able to social distance. Anything I help them, they help we. So you not gonna say me I protect myself, I left me guide. So as well as that, you can even tell you guide the person where they help you. What you they do, let yourself apply the same method. Because if you safe, you not safe, now also you don't be get, you get 100% for become affected as well. Because if you didn't get her, then you say me, they ask me, and they use hand sanitizer, me guide, you get her, wait, die not to me. No, when you get her, you they get her. So the same method for also apply to you guide where you they do them. So now I make her feel so happy. We get another organization where come now we aid when German leprosy, where we get the director now, yeah, GLRA. Then self can now we say, okay, this year now they do it fine. Me self I get small till I go help now. Allow us self do this thing here. Yeah, we not only the target and yeah, we get about different organizations them where we they target. Now I make we they also today. We they look at the items, also the item more. Now what you get for land. And this you go turn as ambassador for your company. Someone from where COVID-19 starts. You know, and they see them posters there. I for ASEAN, I for avoid social distance. But like you don't can get the training, you go able to train other person. You go able to talk to other person. Now only when we come together, we now go able to fight this sick. Tribe no day. Me no mix, you know day. Now all for come together for fight and because if you want person, staff will become affected now. Honestly, the one whole compound, you must get 2, 3. And we don't want them. Like I begin happen to sisters there or brothers there where they upline, where don't get disabled people them, where don't come in contact with the virus, we tell God thank you, their life they're safe. And we not go want in a western area because you are congested. So we not go one down there. So now make here we they also today, we can listen from the different statements from we big one them. And we go get small training. I not go talk much because I get for come back. So I tell you plenty, thank you.
So I say beaucoup thank you to the executive secretary. And the program they continue this way. As I say, we they get statements from the big one them. They can join me for get this teaching today. We will start with the president of the Sierra Leone Union on Disability Issues. So let me talk to you small. Thank God, it was late, but it don't come. Okay, fine.
You afraid that?
Yeah, no, not two.
No, you afraid that? Go according to the agenda.
They don't give me order for it, so we go hear it from the president. He will give you small talk and advice concerning what we there for today. Yes, sir, Mr. President.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
The voice of the disabled
Must be heard.
Who want to talk this talk? While we read the vigorous sound, say yes to one voice to be heard. The voice of the disabled
Must be heard.
Okay. The presence of the disabled
Must be felt.
and the new one, no, we not let them see we no more. But let them know say we do, we recognize, we participate, we included. The presence of the disabled
Must be felt.
I want to tell big thanks to Wodio. I think an organization we all for the record with. The issue of women with disability, na issue we as a union want for really for make it enough. Because the mandate, we demand them. We don't they really they push, they make things they happen. So for now we see an organization, women with disability yearning for equal opportunity, want for take a challenge for spearhead and look at women issues. For me, I think say now for take the bull by turn. Because most of we the women they wish to do, we all know say we don't take ourselves like say all is lost. We don't feel say we for take challenge to society. And I think say now they make I want to really recognize the work of we sister, when the executive director for Wodio, Madam Ramatu Princess Kano. Let we give them a very big hand. You know, shortly anybody wake I will know say. For me, now the number 3 donations of program this why they go for Wodio, especially inside the COVID-19, and all they gear towards women with disability. So when he call me, tell me, say, I get a program now for can make statements. I say, not to wait for even talk to me or beg me. Because one, I want for can see the disabled woman there, for can talk to her now. See, we get that lapse within we self na the disability community. We can get program the one disabled woman there for let we see una not easy. So with this, I want to take this opportunity. We know say that COVID issues we can on. But I will use this opportunity as a unionist for say we need una for come forward as women with disability. The space lacking. The women issue they go before, but now they see the women with disability they within the women structures, which is very, very, very dismayed to we. And not so we go for go talk for una. Now una self for take the lead. On the program, to be specific, again, the thorough something waiting with sister don't know say, then get certain packages for now. And COVID for we know say, as disabled person, we are the most vulnerable person for catch the virus. No so, because simply what they say, social distance is completely impossible for us. No matter how you look at. Then go say, wear masks, you understand, wash your hand. But trust me, social distance, they say, for day near you company for 1 meter safe. And we not possible because while they work as so, I need somebody for support me. Me when I'm in wheelchair, I need somebody for push me. Me when I'm blind, I need possible for work out with me. Me when I'm deaf, I need sign language interpret, I need somebody for interpret for me. Different categories there. So it means say we not go able. So the mere fact say let go wear masks, we wash we hand. Trust me, social distance will not get her. We are more vulnerable. No so we are happy for see NACOVAC here for them to really take that into cognizance. that more premium need for be given to persons with disability in terms of social mobilization, in terms of support, in terms of making we visible when they take decision. Because they can take their decision there where we know they. SLUDI and other partners and disabled organizations. So what do we do? Because we see the message not clear and not inclusive at all. So what do we do? We make sure say we make posters. I'm sure would yourself do something like that. Where they tell you say, if you as disabled person, like when me they work out me coach you. If I was me and I don't watch this me coach you saw the whole. I don't watch me and for nothing. When I agree with me, because I don't watch me and the whole last same dirty. Now this me coach you the whole. So if NACOVAC they forget the information, it we say where you was here and you as disabled person also was your assistive device. It means the message is not inclusive. They don't forget about we. But you know why they forget about we? Because we know the way they take the decision. So now one thing we want so let them take onto the higher authority say we need disabled person for day now that management team, that decision making team, at that high level, not for just call we no more for say for can't do this. Which is very you know, now like for we now can call discrimination because you not call you for local SIDO with you want just call you no more say camper program no more. Although we see social mobilization, we don't see 2-3 disabled themselves, they don't they involve. Yes, it's good for them to go talk to we self, talk to other community. But up the side they take the decision now the whole team. But we not can blame them too much now from up the national government. When a civil society we talk what they call things by its name. No so. Now from the national government, I didn't begin left we. So when they can out to the ministries, the department, the agencies, the all them small structures, and so no more they go. And they left will be here no more. But sometimes we go for say no to it. And we not for tire for talk. Because sometimes they are doing it out of ignorance. They don't know. Who feels it? Who feels it? Nothing about us. So you not go walk and say you want to walk with we, then you forget that you left we. No. So that make we say sometimes they do it out of ignorance because they don't know. But if they call you for bring them out. You understand? We're happy we don't they see. Now when they do their meetings then they call sign language interpreter for sign. Where then you can do that afternoon hour program where they can give updates. So that was good, that update. It was good so that they bring sign language interpreter. But what about the information going out? Is it in Braille? No. No, so. The sensitization, we not see who say they go do sensitization. They don't do anyone special one say for the hearing impaired. No. So we are left out. So we really want other organizations select who they happy way who they see we counterpart organization GLRA they come in for support audio. We want for me them do more because the more support we get, the more we reach out to the disabled community there. I just say come up yesterday about we see where we know what we meet today. One family go give food stuff and other things and to disabled there. For this program make a common about I should have been in Pujawu. But the importance of this also for can talk to una make us say lakam. For let we see how we all could put heads together. Alone a guide the process. We cannot do it all. We do it till we able for make sure say we able for reach to una. But I can tell una say all is not lost. The mere fact there is some recognition, I'm sure we're moving ahead. We want for still get up to the government. They are trying. We see what they do for the next for through NACSA for support disabled through the lockdown. We they give them also that kudos there for let them do more. But there is more room for improvement. We don't just need lip service. We want for see Usai. We they take champion in issues. That's the key thing for we. The day where government recognize us for take leadership in some of we issues them, I'm sure most of the thing that would the cry for go stop, it go done. So now that make they give you the lip service because we are not there when taking decision. That's for me, in my own personal opinion, that's the key thing. I'm sure the NCPD when the government entity itself go agree with we say if we are involved in taking decisions. There's a way they plan. If you involve the person from the planning, come to the implementation, When I go to monitor, when I all monitor together, trust me, that person don't get nothing for grumble. If you left anything, you go say na we. But the mere fact you left from the planning, anything we can implement the institution, would they grumble because you don't left way out. So now that message me want for send. And we as disabled person sometimes don't know which person call we. Force issues and go know waiting day. Me I don't go na Nakovac past 5, 10, 10, 10. So you make I don't know I don't interrogate with Boku people and make we begin to see social mobilization team and all that thing there. So you as disabled woman, you see women organization to do something. If you get the means, go there, let them now. Say you are not inclusive. Lord will tell them, say you are not inclusive. So now make we kaya. And this is what we have been doing to some most programs there. And if we not take that challenge there, trust me, women issues will continue for DBN. When I take the challenge for empower on ourselves, empowerment is very key. Anybody will say one for sober. It cannot be say pass you go get degree or you waiting. If even I work able for land, at least you don't make yourself relevant in society. Society don't know so you're important. You able to take care of your family. Person can't to you say can't so for me this you don't make input in your society. You able for land book to the highest degree. Why go now apply in this all me talk there all if I know one thing what they say. I say by God in power. Not so we own power, with the strive and the consciousness so we don't get. One day, we say we must be president of this country. No, so we not believe in that. You know what he make because we don't see we self now up there. Cool brother, he say double masters. You want to tell me say no, we minister? And they be president self. Some of you don't get masters there. We get people and when they say we are professors there. But they know they look we and give them positions today. So pass will force yourself go inside it by force. And we go reach the by God in power. And let with our, yeah? I tell you now plenty, thank you.
So now, like you step on the shoes of the OBD in charge because we just don't come out from the agenda. We get a statement from the commission where now we executive secretary Salami Kotekui.
Thank you. The family on our morning. On behalf of government, I want on behalf of the board of commission and then the chairman, with Ministry of Social Welfare where they cover we, and then by extension the government, I want to take this opportunity for tell Abilis Foundation plenty thank you where they give couple for support because routine and they do so that then they complement the effort of government because government is handful. We all know that day. And then also I want to tell thank you to GLRA. We also chip in for the campaign on the gender-based violence for educate with sisters then with disability. We want to tell on a thank you on behalf of the government. And also women with disability yearning for equal opportunity. I think this is a very good initiative. We want to tell on a thank you. And they say Leona not relent to that continue because this is a big challenge. Even where my brother they talk, even the small DPOs thing, the disabled man and social force and they begin force for push the woman them aside. Yeah. So at the level I want to say a scenario because like in Liberia, the head of the old SLUDI, na woman. The head of the commission, na woman. Liberia. So I would like to see in the next Otin call, we say woman then go take prominent role, not begin the force. Prominent role in SLUDI, prominent role in other side then we'll begin to train them because then they go be training ground for them. Not so? Yeah. So before we go bring them on board. But there's small depot, then just they say women's leader. But the chairman take hand on a man then, not so? So let we say begin first, then we begin tell them no disabled people and say, and this is what we want. But I'm really happy for there and I not say challenging. It raises a number of issues in terms of inclusion, but I think say government no get no option because what thing government don't do, it don't tie itself. Now the National Development Plan, where they guide the development agenda for this country, this government don't make disability a pillar. Where me say there's ready for support disability issues. I think what we need for the do now for just the campaign and remind them of them promises them where they don't put them not just in black and white, but how for implement them. Also, we need for also begin because like when we even look the Disability Act, they just make a normal all disability issues them put on. But we not say woman them with disability. It gets double discrimination. One a woman. When you call woman no more force, you also they discriminate them. They go get disability back. Hey, now that trouble back. So you see that double discrimination in the face already. The act not really make provision for picking them with disability woman then for look at the specific needs. But even that, I think una go be a witness. I don't take as the executive secretary will they make sure say any program where disabled woman them person not get the money, but if you get money, then send her and they make a priority for support them. And I have done this, and it's a commitment we will continue for do that day. Because I think that one way for empower women them with disability for let themselves at the forefront. Not over just preach no more, but they will put her in practical terms. So on our town our job and continue for it. And then what are they encouraging her for doing also? What they can't teach you today, no na put her into practice. Yeah? And the way we do we best. Because Corona I know the peak and the rear. So let's take with time. And of course, I know I go on to all the we can call away President Santos don't say wasi grudge, wasi wheelchair, possibly they near you picking them, make sure they themselves take the precautions there. Because people we not able for maintain that social distance. So the best way for do for them make sure say all the precautions already take when they around you, let them take the same precautions. And with that, I believe say God will keep we safe, take this thing done. I tell you plenty, thank you.
Then we get the next statement. We get from Jama Leprosy TB Relief Association, the director. Mr. Cyril Johnson.
Good afternoon again. Well, I just the harp on voting the president for Sloopy, don't talk, and me able man's Kotekwi. Of course, Jama Leprosy and TB Relief Association na a medical NGO, but notwithstanding, we get an arm who supports persons with disability. For the past years, then we don't focus our attention on persons with disability due to leprosy, because for a long time they were marginalized. But over the years, we don't look and say no. If now leprosy no more, they consider. Then we know they help other people with disability. So we decide for extend we arm to all forms of disability. And Ramatuya, now one person who work with since 2019, in 2010, in fact, sorry. We don't work together in the office to we with them with the pilot a project. And I believe say na person who hard working. And when he carry this whole deal, me and discuss them. And we discuss plenty things them and whose kind support are for able for game and whose kind advice. By extension, me na a board member, although you know official. But anything he gets, any problem he gets, or anything we have to accomplish, he must call me. Say CJ, na so I want for do. I want your advice and we will discuss. And I believe say women them for now for take the challenge. Unfortunately, even my own organization, while they support the persons with disability due to leprosy, women and the shame for entering position than they. And another force can for stop.
Don't tell me say for let they do. Please let me continue for they do them. Things then like one, Make sure say you wash your hand frequently with soap and water. Not so. Make sure say you use your face mask and use it correctly. Not so. Make sure say if you not get anything for go do not turn, stay na your house. Or if you get for go na public places, make sure say you try as much as you can for maintain that physical distancing. Physical distance, at least the master people they say at least 1 meter apart. Not go closer to somebody. Lord we know they shake hand. Not so? Lord know they shake hand. Because the master people say this virus is only transferred to we more than through we hand. Okay? Where you don't contact her through your hand and you know wash that your hand there with soap and water. You touch your mouth, your nose and your eye. From there you get that sickness then there. Okay? So please, I'm not going to really go over what with sisters, brother, the president say about the clutch, where they wash in hand, then you know wash the clutch, meaning you know wash in hand. Okay? Because if your hand infected, that your clutch must be infected also. So if you wash in hand, you know wash the clutch, your hand go like reinfect. No, so please, Lord, make sure say, Lord, we wash in hand. Lord, make sure say you wash the side of the old and the clutch. Okay? Please, Lord, land they do that one thing.
Like we can talk about SGV, sexual and gender-based violence. What do you mean by sexual? Sexual na like we feelings them. Like you thought, your behavior towards a complete mortal man. Na sexual. Then we talk about sex. Sex na the big difference between you and man. We all know we can see man get bobby, man get ace, man get dandy. But we get a particular difference where it be say na they differentiate. We say this na man, this na woman. Na the sex between we. And what we dey talk about gender. Gender they talk about we roles them and we activities them. Especially in Africa. We dey differentiate. We say man, woman no for dig. Na man for dig, na man work down there. Man no for dey na kitchen, na woman for dey na kitchen. So they distinguish roles activities them between we and the man. Then we come by the base. What you mean by the B? Where na the base? The base they try for talk now like something where they support. If they under for they support a particular something. We can say LGV, gender-based violence. So now like in the support then 3 components and they. Then we talk about the V. The V now like anything where you they do to you comping mortal man where in no leg where they lead into arm or damage, wound or that kind of thing and they. Like especially for we the woman them. Now the secret thing and then the way we they suffer. Right? Where woman they by this and they take advantage per we. And not even woman them. So we get some people on a day where things say this I get power passer. So they take advantage over them. You know me say where COVID-19 day, we the woman they will for suffer. You know me that day. And we can see where can say rape case. I don't believe say disabled and they rape her. Then they rape disabled woman. But just that if you go portray them case and then you go na station or any of the side the way they in charge, the way then they look at we. Now in make some man go say, I prefer I get her in me where they unbug me, then I take them out to society because of the negative perception. But we they see what they say they rape somebody, we they help them for fettle. Because we say go get the disabled organization say we they pull press release. But if they say na disabled business, na disabled woman they rape so. Some man they say, but make them try, they not sorry for himself, now he just careless himself. And he not supposed for be so. And I believe say the same right way they get as woman them, or the same right way everybody gets, now in disabled woman gets. So in this system, it not only be say past COVID-19, now the turn therefore begin to protect say for woman they for even day after COVID-19. Because we self get free, we self free for live your life. You know for say, me na you woman, they will not agree for rape me because you know say I know they go talker. Then why do this if forbid me? Then they all na violence against woman when I disabled we they suffer them because we not get side where we they report. So now I make now we see and say we get a system where audio don't set, where you they send you message, SMS, or you send a WhatsApp, or you call, where any of them thing they happen, now you community, you know can be to you. When it go happen to a disabled sister, you know there, you don't know. It can happen to anybody when are disabled around you. Now you write for making report. We get experts and people we already don't get partnership with where they handle them cases a day. When he's sending the message, we go able to do follow up. We get specialists them where we be saying we able to do follow up with the case. You don't need for we just need the information and who side it happen. Because we self never just take case number, we say na this na case so. We get for do your investigation, we know say yes, we get proof before we go to the authorities where they in charge. So like this we just get for maintain we self. What I be just talk here say, woman you forget when you learn something. Man no they go near you we know better. You get for value yourself. Now you for see yourself say me na woman and me physical disability. It no mean say I no can do something. I can do anything like any other person. Me I can even challenge the able woman them. Because I believe in myself, I know what I can do and I know what I can deliver. And my disability no mean a barrier to me say because of me not disabled, so it means I not for do. If not for that, I not for there. I for just there at the corner. We get other people that will say no because of me disabled. I for there not sit. I for go and beg. No, add some value in you. When you add some value in you, society go value you. And this COVID-19, to God, even if you're not there, the man not give you. Just add value in you. That man they go value you. Because of COVID-19, no go left you. Because of COVID-19, no go seize advantage by you. But in case they happen, the numbers they all depend on the stickers them. Women with disability, yearning with equal opportunities, Wodio, with support from Abilis Foundation, German leprosy. I will hand over then things they are to now.
Yeah, on behalf of NACOVAC, just want for hand over this face mask to the women with disabilities yearning for equal opportunity. We got for, of course now we count with 500, but this now 200 for the group that where they are, and we got to continue with the other 3 groups that will they are in for committee. So this now 200.
And we want to say, as the director, I want to say plenty thank you because to be honest, I not be expect maths. Now be just for can do short training. Now I expect, but then they show say that they think of me. And we know say they're not going to satisfy all we need them. Now try themselves, they try. So I want to say plenty thank you to Una. And I want to extend my appreciation to all the team of EOC. Thank you. I think I can still do this.
We want to tell plenty thank you to we sister and all the one that will contribute for let this day be a success. We appreciate not only the thing that we can give you, but the love and concern way in the show to accompany women the way we all are disabled. And with the assurance say the teaching way you can do now, you know, go to waste. We they put her into good practice, and also we they try for scatter the information to the one that we know there. For them self understand, say woman self can do something. Never mind you disabled. That not for make you misuse yourself. You get right for stand and say no to sexual harassment and so many other things that we no rights for let somebody do unto you as a disabled woman. We they try for let we reach out to we colleagues that we know there. We appreciate whatever thing we don't can get to we, and we pray that God will continue for make we all lay as one, and we will continue for the in peace and one accord. And also we pray that the one that we are not there but then contribute for this day be a success. One for telling plenty thank you, and we appreciate. May God bless you now all.
Amen.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and that today.
Me, Naramatu Princess Kanu, the Executive Director for Women with Disability Yearning for Equal Opportunity, short audio.
Okay, we see today woman in this part of the city. I want to make it tell you how they call this area so every day so and waiting exactly on a can do now.
Well, yeah, now they call here Shell Polio Compound. We get disabled people away they live in this community here. And we there also today for do like small sensitization on COVID-19 and sexual and gender-based violence among women with disabilities. Because we are sending out all the messages them and the sensitizations the way they go out, not they capture persons with disability, not talking about women with disability. And to be frankly, when short crisis for done any community, women then they suffer. Not talking about women with disability, they suffer greatly. So if we fail for protect them, or we fail for themselves know exactly what they happen, what the virus they are about, so it means that we they cause more harm to ourselves. And not all like a sick way, be say a passion. Say na disabled person no more in the old, in the old able person. If a disabled person get them, possibility they for make able person get them. But if the message go into a level ground, say everybody go understand, everybody go know say yeah, this sick they exist. Now so and so you need for do. I believe say we did na a safer ground.
So some of them things also where you can donate today to this women with disability within this particular part. I go want to make it tell waiting as we calculate them, what will be the cost of them?
Well, I can always say when you give somebody something or money, not to everything, then thing they are worth more than 25 million euros, right? But not all the money, not the thing, not like the message. Because most of them think they are where we they see, then they supply rest, then they supply this, but you feel say there are other certain things and they where woman need, where if we say them basic in life, but we not can capture them. So now like pad or toil, we get some half thing the way we give them. So like that thing and they go able to help them. And especially with the young girls there, we all know say every month, we know say we get journey. But we don't see them there where they get so now. You know, say if I for buy 7,000 those pad, I'd already get pad where I go able to use for the 2-3 months. So then there will be a saving in life.
We get another disabled homes then down the part of the city. Why you just follow this home?
Well, this home just make Alex say a free organization there inside this home where we get the Polio Women and Girl Development Association, we get Polio United Polio Brothers and Sisters Association, but then we target the United Polio Brothers and Sisters Association. Then only the women they we target. Because most of the organizations they are mixed organizations. Now few they were not just purely on women. And when you look at the broader pictures, the mixed organization more than the single say this is a woman organization. But with the targeting the woman the way they and from here we get for Gona Gokupa when we get another 3 organizations inside the back. We get the Hearing Impaired organization, we get the other disabled woman organization there, we get the Little People organization there. From there, we also go Bangba, where we get another disabled women organization there. We also get another visually impaired organization there. From there, we also go Atalo. So now like this, so we get for take, but we target now women living with disabilities.
And also where you be doing your presentation earlier, you make mention about a free line where una get. I want to know if that line is separate from the line where person can call for any sexual violence now the police.
Yeah, that line they separate. Down there now like we own organization line down there because we they try for get data where we they get where if we say the data how they give out say this data now we get of women we living with disability, this violation now they don't happen to them now this kind way and this kind way because they see where data they come out then just they say if in a rape case we get total number of this, a percentage of this, it not be categorized say who that then are the disabled woman, how much percentage we get for disabled woman them. And when it comes to violence, it happen to the disabled woman them. Me I can say more than the able woman themselves because of the situation where we dey in. Sometimes again, even not if you not you partner self, but because of the community where if any self you not disabled woman, people go seize advantage by you or torture you or do anything. A lot not just look like say violence and just some of us you see somebody beat somebody or somebody say any other thing. Because starting thing then they back when you they do to person when a violation. Because if you do anything where they harm somebody where out of your own will, that means they don't violate your rights.
We don't get any incidents outside the rape any disabled.
Yeah, we don't get am, but because of security, we no go say I'm out. But we get incidents where it is a disabled woman, then they rape them.
So how una can see the way our police and also the court can handle matters and then?
Well, now this is the issue. We make some man prefer say law settle and oath because of the perception of the authority, the way they in charge. Because when you as a disabled woman, man sees advantage by you or they do any act of violation. When you go na police, the kind the way the authority then go watch you, or the kind way then they talk to you, they think say when you become a disabled or you're not disabled woman, one enough for involved in any of their activities and day. And where if you food or you get problem, not me saying that you want old body and get problem. You also get the right like any other woman for living your own life like how you want live them. But when short cases go na police station, mostly they can end up on compromise because they know they give attention to when cases they dey.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Adam Ajusu.
I want to make you tell me how you feel for being part of this training after today.
I feel very happy for the part of this training today. As I appreciate where then they consider with disabled women they now as part of the sensitization program for the COVID-19. Okay. We want to say plenty thank you for this woman organization as they consider we say we important in the society. As we dey talk about inclusive, we dey glad because we dey feel say now we not left out.
Okay, so what exactly you learned from this training?
I learned so much. I don't learn now say a disabled woman, if they use crutch, if you washing hand, if you're able washing crutch, if you wash the wheelchair where they use, if you wash in hand, if you wash the wheelchair, because if they get in contact with the wheelchair, if they touch them. If you don't wash your hand clean, then the wheelchair you not wash them, it liable for come in contact with the disease because of the germs where it get from the wheelchair.
Okay. So what's the message where you go send out there so you come in disabled? And also to our government?
Well, as they say, for let person be disabled, that no means say enough for able. And they talk to the one them within a street, me company disable them out there. For let we try for do some things then for we safe. You know 100% right for let within a street they beg. As we safe is not too easy. We they face so many challenges them as some of we within our classrooms. Some of we got different things them where we do where we they mingle with people them way able. We they go through so much but we they ignore because we safe we want for belong. And we want to be somebody in our society. So at the same time, me comping them out there when are disabled. For them come and do something. Not to pass you go school no more. You go to any learning training center, you get a skill where you go do, where you go able to benefit you and your family. Okay. When you then a street out there, you know value. No more they see you like you know any sober-minded somebody.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
As not only listen to waiting the executive director for Wodio talk about the training where they can do today with some women disabled them concerning how they for prepare themselves for the COVID-19 so that then the disabled not go be affected by this disease. And also some of the one that will be the part of the training say they're glad for be part of this training because they learn a lot. Like they learn say they're supposed for wash their hand and also the crutch way then they use for make them go prevent themselves, for make them not go get the COVID-19. Mina Aissatou Smile Cissé. Until we meet again, I say tata.